Hey, Shalom, man. Shalom. I want to start off with all by giving all praise to Yahweh, Bashem, Shah, Bashem, Kudash, that belongs to the apostles of GMS and honest you brothers doing the work in truth and sincerity. This one is going to be a real quick one. Said it in other videos, inside videos, but just wanted to commit it to its own video. Not to put my wording precise. But basically, when you consider the current situation, the current pestilence, and what Esau is proposing as a solution to the current pestilence, it is, if you think about it, more or less the same logistical issue that they're gonna have to solve when it comes to implementing the mark of the beast, right? Which is what apostles say that this Esau solution to the current pestilence is a precursor to the mark of the beast, which is the RFID microchip. Okay, because E has got the world exactly where he wants them, right? Ready, begging, right? Because you've got two classes of people. You've got the ones that are, well, you've got three. You've got the ones that are willing to take. They can't wait, right? Then you've got the ones that are gonna put up a fight, but ultimately will. But then you've got the ones that ain't gonna take it. Period. Okay. So the question is, where do you lie? This is 2 Corinthians 2:11. It says, "Lest Satan should get an advantage of us, for we are not ignorant of his devices." Okay. This is devices is G3540, and Noema. It says a perception, a purpose, the intellect, disposition, device, mind, thought. Right? It says a mental perception, a thought, an evil purpose, that which thinks the mind, thoughts, or purpose, right? So an evil purpose. So lest Satan should get an advantage of us, for we are not ignorant of his evil purpose, right? Of his plans to bring about an evil time, right? Everyone is thinking that Esau's solution to the pestilence, after that, things will go back to normal. But we in the truth, we understand that before, things were not normal, right? What's normal about alphabet people, right? So Isaiah 60:2 says, "For behold, the darkness shall cover the earth, and this earth is dark." It is dark. Okay, these are the real dark ages, right? Through the spirit, meditating, just thinking about how on this side we have to convince women why it's a bad idea for them to kill their own children. And if we say anything other than that, then we're seen as the bad men. But that's what it says in Isaiah 5:21, to them that call evil good and good evil, right? To kill your own child is evil. But in this world, it's seen as a progressive, right? So, "For behold, the darkness shall cover the earth, and gross darkness the people. But Yahweh shall arise upon thee, and his glory shall be seen upon thee," right? So, which is why we shine. Through the spirit we shine. That's why certain people act funny around brothers, because they themselves may not understand, but the demons know, right? Let me see if I can find this in the book of Acts. Acts 19 and 14, and there were seven sons of one Sceva, a Jew, and chief of the priests, which did so. In fact, verse 13, it says, then Acts 19:13, then certain vagabond Jews, exorcists, took upon them to call over them which had evil spirits the name of the Lord Yahushua, saying, we adjure you by Yahushua whom Paul preacheth. And there were seven sons of one Sceva, a Jew, and chief of the priests, which did so. And the evil spirit answered and said, Yahushua I know, and Paul I know, but who are ye? Right? And the man on whom the evil spirit was leaped on them, and overcame them, and prevailed against them, so that they fled out of the house naked and wounded. Right? So this particular spirit was on because it says they'll perform exorcisms. So this particular spirit would have been on somebody, right? But these guys thought that they had power over the spirit, so they didn't. And the spirit said, look, we know Paul, We know Yao Shai. We know Paul. We don't know who you are. Right? What does that go to show? It goes to show that these different spirits that be on people that we're around, they recognize who we are. Okay? So that glory that is seen upon us, they may not be able to realize it right now, right? But they're in their spirit. That's why certain people act funny around us, because we're shining, whereas they are in darkness, right? And what does the scripture say? I'm not therefore become your enemy because I tell you the truth, right? Light has no concord with darkness. It's Isaiah 19:14. The Lord hath mingled a perverse spirit in the midst thereof, and they have caused Egypt to err, and every work thereof as a drunken man staggereth in his vomit. Right, so going but rather further, compounding that point that this place is filthy, it's sick and disgusting, right? But we understand exactly what's going on at the moment. And hey, this is just, we're coming close to being delivered from this hell, because this place is hell. Okay. So yeah, just like I said, just a quick one. It's just, I don't know how I'm gonna title it. It's easier to say it than it is to title it, but a Esau's solution to the current pestilence is a precursor to the mark of the beast. It's the same logistical problem that needs to be solved, right? An even easier one if you want to be fair, right? You've got the needles, right? You've got all of the different hubs globally, right? So really this is if you will, the trial run of implementing the mark of the beast, right? I mean, what changes? You change liquid to a chip. Instead of your forearm, it's your hand, right? So as always, Lord's will, that was edifying. Till the next time, shalom.